Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. So if you are new here, I am so glad that you found us. Around here, we talk all things home, decor, and creating spaces that just feel like you. And today we are taking Christmas to the coast. Now, whether you actually live by the water or you just love that calming, breezy beach house style, this video is packed with coastal Christmas ideas that will bring serenity, sparkle, and a little seaside magic into your home. And as always, I've linked my favorite coastal Christmas pieces down in the description box, handpicked by me, of course, so definitely check those out after the video. Okay, with that being said, grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and let's get to it. So the first tip that I have with trying to accomplish a coastal Christmas is to start with a light, airy color palette. So when people think coastal, they instantly picture soft whites, sandy neutrals, seafoam greens, ocean blues, and all those colors that feel fresh and calming. So for Christmas, instead of going heavy on the red and evergreen, you can lean into icy blues, frosty silver, champagne gold, driftwood tones, and soft blushes. This is the foundation of the whole vibe: light, breezy, and relaxed. My second tip would be to choose a beach-inspired Christmas tree style. So your tree sets the tone for the entire room. You can go two ways here. The first option would be a classic green tree, like an evergreen that we always see, with coastal themed ornaments. So when I say that, I'm talking starfish, sea glass, little sailboats, pearl garlands, sand-dusted pine cones, or even rope and jute textures. Now your second option would be a flocked or frosted tree, so one that may be green but has all the white like faux snow on it, because that's going to feel like a winter beach day. These look beautiful with champagne accents, seafoam, or pale blue ornaments. Either way, keep the tree feeling airy, nothing too dark, nothing too heavy. My third tip is to bring in natural coastal textures. So texture is everything when it comes to making coastal decor feel authentic. Add touches of driftwood, woven baskets, rope accents, jute rugs, rattan pieces, and anything with a weathered finish. These textures pair flawlessly with Christmas greenery and add warmth without taking away from the beachy feel. Tip number 4, soft breezy garlands. Instead of the traditional deep green garlands that we always see, try ones that are frosted, lightly flocked, or mixed with eucalyptus. You can layer in seashells, pearl strands, or soft ribbon in champagne or pale blue. Drape them over your mantle, your staircase, your console table, anywhere that you want some gentle flowing movements. Tip number 5, incorporate sea-inspired ornaments throughout the home. So we're going to think a little bit beyond the tree here. A bowl filled with ornaments in shades of blue, white, and gold instantly feels coastal. Add in some starfish, shells, or even faux coral pieces. Set them on coffee tables, bookshelves, or your dining table. It's an easy way to sprinkle the theme throughout your space without making it overpowering. Tip number 6, cozy coastal textiles. Now, Christmas decor should always feel warm, right? That's the theme of the season. And coastal doesn't mean that you have to be cold or minimal. So bring in cozy throws and knitted fabrics, linen textures, and soft lightweight blankets in cream or icy blue. Swap out your pillows for patterns like subtle stripes, ticking, soft plaids and pastels, or even simple textures like woven cotton or knit. It keeps everything fresh, but still feeling inviting. Number 7, add a coastal touch to your tabletop. So holiday tablescapes are seriously one of my favorite things, and they are one of the easiest places to bring a theme to life in your home, in this case coastal. So you can use white or driftwood chargers, light blue napkins, brass or silver flatware, and simple greenery mixed with shells. Glass candle holders, especially the ones with a sea glass vibe, look stunning on a tablescape. Your table will feel festive and calm, the perfect blend. Number 8, candles and lighting that feels soft and warm. Now, coastal Christmas decor is never harsh or overly bold, so your lighting should feel gentle. Use lots of warm white lights, soft twinkling strands, and candlelight. Lanterns, rattan lamps, and glass hurricanes create that glowy night at the beach house feeling that really just ties everything together. It's the kind of light that literally feels cozy. Number 9, add holiday greenery, but just switch up the kind that we usually use. You want to keep your greenery light and fresh and airy. So go for lighter, softer greenery, eucalyptus, silver dollar eucalyptus, frosted pine, olive branches, or cedar with a dusting of snow or faux snow in this case. Mix these with beach elements like driftwood or shells for a beautiful calming effect. This is perfect on a coffee table, an entryway, or a mantle. Number 10, coastal inspired stockings and tree skirts. So you can choose stockings in linen, cotton, burlap, or in soft coastal colors. Rattan or woven tree collars also look amazing, especially with coastal decor. Little touches like these really pull the entire aesthetic together without being too much, too over the top. And my last tip would be to sprinkle in sparkle, but make it coastal. So not too glam, not too Hollywood Regency, not too glittery, not too over the top, just a soft shimmer. So think pearlized ornaments, glass icicles, frosted picks, or champagne ribbon. It adds that magical Christmas glow while still making that beach house energy pump here. And that's it, friends. A full guide to creating a coastal Christmas that feels calm, fresh, and absolutely beautiful. Whether you live by the ocean or just love the coastal vibe, these ideas are such an easy way to bring a little breezy magic into your holiday season. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And be sure to check out the description box below, where I have hand-picked tons of coastal Christmas decor pieces to help you bring this look to life in your own home. Remember, whether you choose to have a coastal Christmas or a traditional red and green, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.